Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Audio Mix on iPhone. To begin, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Look for the microphone mode icon, which often appears as a microphone. Tap it to reveal options like voice isolation, wide spectrum, and standard. These modes help you control how your iPhone processes audio input, allowing for clearer recordings or more immersive soundscapes. Now, let's dive into adjusting your input levels. When using a recording application, you'll often find a slider or knob to control the microphone's gain. For professional results, consider connecting an external microphone via the Lightning or USB-C port. Always keep an eye on the audio meters. Aim for levels that are strong but avoid the red zone, which indicates clipping and poor sound quality. Next, we'll explore mixing multiple audio sources. Some applications allow you to blend your voice from the internal microphone with music or sound effects playing from other apps. You can adjust the individual volumes of each source to create a balanced and professional-sounding mix. This is particularly useful for podcasts, live streams, or adding background music to your videos, giving you creative control over your sound. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and tips. Many third-party audio applications offer advanced effects such as equalization, reverb, or noise reduction to refine your sound. You can often save your preferred settings as custom presets, streamlining your workflow for future projects. Remember, a quiet recording environment is crucial for achieving the best possible audio quality, minimizing unwanted background noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.